Okay, hello everybody. This is Mike Overstreet here again. So this is my continuing series of videos on how to program the microbit by BBC and now the DFRobot Maqueen. This is Maqueen Plus. So this is kind of think this is the Hello World program for the Maqueen. It's pretty simple, just like everything so far with this controller and this robot. So I'm gonna share my screen and get started and show you how to do it. Okay. Now we're still going to use the make code by Microsoft. It's an online GUI software for the microbit, and with some extensions or includes, you can also use it for the Maqueen program. So this is also how you start a new project too in make code. So let's do a new project. Call it servos 2. Already have a servos. And great. Pretty simple. Now, if you see my previous video on how to program microbit, you've already kind of seen this happen. But now for the Maqueen, to basically get the extensions or the include stuff in your program, you click on the little icon here, the top right hand corner of the screen, just by the Microsoft sign. Go down till you get to extensions. Now type in Maqueen. And 2 entries are going to pop up. Don't click on the straight Maqueen unless you have that one. But if you have the plus, click on the plus. You can't click on both. You can't include both extensions. You can only include one. You get an error if you try to do both. So just click on it. And then as you see, it loads the extensions for the Maqueen Plus right here. And if you click on the arrow, you get all the new functions, methods, calls for the Maqueen Plus. Pretty straightforward. So we're just going to have both motors go forward, and that's also very simple in this block code. So we take the motor command here. Let's get rid of the on start because we just want this to go forever. So we'll use the forever block and then insert the motor control line here, block. So as you can see, you can just operate the left motor, the right motor, or all. We're going to select all. Directions, you can select different things here. So you can go forwards or backwards. We'll just keep it on forwards. Then the speed, you can use this cool little slide bar here. So from 0 to 255. We're just going to kind of split the around 100. So you can also enter just straight 100 too. And then press enter. Okay, very simple. Not too tough. Like, so this is going to be like a little Hello World program for Maqueen. Now, what I think is kind of interesting is seeing what the different other codes look like. So let's see what JavaScript looks like. So pretty straightforward. That's the forever function. And then there's a Maqueen class. The motor run, another function. Motors, all directions clockwise, it looks like. Direction clockwise and speed. And Python should be similar. Forever, the Maqueen plus class, motor run, then motors, so passing into the method, motors all, direction clockwise, speed 100, so on. This is the forever block. Pretty straightforward. That's what's so cool about the setup with microbit. So you can use block codes to get started, and then as you get more advanced in your programming knowledge, then you can like switch to Python or JavaScript. And the cool thing is lots of companies are using Python and JavaScript, so it kind of gives you an introduction to the two most popular, or two of the more popular programming coding options being used today. Okay, so just for downloading purposes, I'm not going to turn the robot on. I'm just going to connect it. Connect up to the, and get my errors are freaking out. Okay. I'm now connected to the microbit. Now you don't have, see, you don't have a example right here of what the microbit's going to do because it's not using the LED matrix. But let's check. Go down to the lower left-hand corner. 3 little buttons, stars, whatever you want to call them. And microbit's connected, so you don't have to pair it. And then you click download. Now it's downloading. You can see it's flashing. Downloading. Okay, we're done. Now there's not enough power for the motors to work. It's only power for the programming, the microbit. So I'm going to disconnect here. Program's downloaded. Now the Maqueen, that's the on and off switch. That's the only on and off switch right there. By the right wheel, if you're looking at the back, or the left, you're looking at the front. There's a little on and off switch, and if everything's working right, I'm going to click to on. There we go. Both wheels are moving forward. Wow, that's pretty fast. Not bad. Okay. That's kind of like a quick introduction to programming the Maqueen using make code. Okay, let's stop sharing the screen. So you can see the robot's actually very fast. I want to try to get away from me. So there you go. I've got both wheels moving counterclockwise or forward at speed 100. I'm gonna fall off the table here if I'm not careful. So there you go. Quick introduction to programming. Kind of like Hello World program for the Maqueen by DFRobot. And very cool. Thanks for watching. Turn it off there.